Hi everyone. Welcome to my web design open class. I'm the teacher Forrest. So today I'm going to teach you how to create web your website project and then to change some message in the website and also change the title and teach you guys how to create a video link in your website. So it so in this class, all I want to let you know is how to install your environment and how to working with the code by working with the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Three language is really basic for the web design developer. So working with that is not difficult, and in this class I will just spend might be 20 or 30 minutes to show you how to working with that and also install the environment. So all of that will be easy. So you don't need to afraid about that. All I want is just that you know you will like this class and hope you can jump my in my class. Okay. So before we start, I would like to show you some website, a beautiful website, and then we can easy to implement it. So let me share my screen. So this is my GitHub. If you like, we can create a GitHub and they can help you to host a website and then you can like upload your document or your project on this GitHub hoster and then you can share your project with everybody. So for example, this is my GitHub and my GitHub name is the Forest Dean 2020 with the wrong website. This website I have to clarify. I didn't create this, but it is really beautiful and we can easily to implement it. So let's check here. At the beginning, this is my GitHub, and then the repository. You can see my first one is GitHub. I just uploaded it and then want to share with you guys. So click this one. This is the whole data I have. So when you change the setting here, you can change some setting from the master, from the none to the master here, from none to master. After that, you can have a link, and this link is you can share. So you don't need to remember that. I will teach you all of that, and it's kind of easy. So right now, I just want to share with you if you like it. So let's create one more and then pass the link. So this is the demo project. It is really easy to implement it, and you can see it's really fantastic, right? But not really difficult. So all of that, just you need to type some um, code instructor, and then they will arrange all of the image for you, and then you can just type some message on it. So let's go back. We can review what we had for this project. So you can see in this website, in this GitHub hoster, they will analyze you. All of the language used is the HTML and CSS and then JavaScript. So it is not really difficult, and then you can easily implement it. And then let's jump into your first project. So in order to create your first project, we need to install the environment. So nowadays there's a bunch of the editor environment such as Sublime, this one, such as Sublime, and also Atom, and also VS Code. Sorry, COD, but it is exactly this one, blue one, okay, not the purple one, VS Code. Well, I personally like VS Code because VS Code has a lot of extension and I can easily use that. And I would probably say most of 70% programmer know VS Code, and also okay, most of 90% programmer know VS Code, and probably 70% programmer use VS Code. And also with the Sublime. I will introduce you when you're in the class. But right now, all you need to do is install the VS Code environment. So you can select which one you are. For example, I am the Windows, so it detects for me, and you can click it, so they can download it for you. All right, and then after you finish that, you can just click it and install that. So I already installed that, so I will not reinstall it again. But I want you guys to know how to do that. So click it, and all you need to do is next, 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 next. Okay, next, install. Just like I said, I already installed it, so I'm going to skip this one. Okay, so when you install VS Code, this is your first editing environment, and VS Code is really powerful. Yeah, you can working with JavaScript, Python, HTML, CSS, whatever language you know, like here, PyScript, Python, Java, C++. So they almost support all the language you know. So it is the good editor for the beginner. Now let's close this one. So when you select this, when you select your button, you can directly type CODE, and then it's supposed to show the Visual Studio Code, and you can click this one. And then let's create our first project. So in this VS Code, there's a bunch of item here, and then you can just know. So this is your folder, and this is your control search, and this is the source control, and this is debug, and this is extension. So VS Code is really like a character. Let me show you a PDF. It is interesting. I made for my class. Where it is? Let me find it, and then document Python. So okay. Give my computer a second. So VS Code is kind of the game character, and then let me. Do I share? Am I open? No, I open wrong one. Sorry about that. Let me reopen another file. Okay, so like here, VS Code is kind of character, and then all of the encryption is the extension, and you can install by yourself. Depends on what kind of language you are working on. So you can image VS Code. Yeah, it's a kind of it's a character, it's an editor, and then you can get another equipment, and this equipment in our VS Code we will say it is extension here. Okay. And then, okay, let's close it. So right now, for our first program, for our first data, I'm going to teach you how to open your file. So in here, you can open a folder. Okay, so I'm going to create a folder in my desktop because my desktop is really clear, just like you say, and like you see. And then I'm going to create one for the open class. So I can just say like website project. Okay. Oh no, sorry. I have to create one. Here. Okay. And then inside, I'm going to select this folder. So right now, I already in the website project here, and then I can show you here. This is my folder, right? And in this folder, everything is empty. So I'm going to create my first website. The extension will be the HTML. So create first one, and then you can say like app, and then HTML, then click it. So when you see your folder, there's create one file for you, in this file, by with extension HTML is exactly what the website are going to use. And for create our outline, our HTML outline, we can just quickly type the here we need to type our exclamation mark here and first, and then use the tab. The tab key is near the 1 2 3 4 QRA. So you need to press the tab and then create the first outline HTML for you. Okay, so right now, when you here, you can try to type Control S to save. So when you are not save anything, they will circle for you. But when you save, they'll become the cross. So make sure this is really important shortcut you can press every time. So right now you already have your first your website project, and I'm going to install one more extension that can help you to view your project by using the website. So here, type live server, and then here, click this one. You can see a purple live server like that. I already installed that, and you can try to install that. So when you are not install that, there's a green install item, and you can select. So now it's already installed for you. And then let's go back. So why we need that? So sometimes you can see there's a live at a button, and then you can click it, and then they will open the website for you. But for some reason, I don't know why I didn't have, but it is fine. So when I use the right click, I can also open with live server here. So when I open with the live server, the server will open a website for me, and then I can narrow it to the right and then have code and left. So now I can close it by click again. Now I can try to program my website here. So first is you can change the title. This is document, and you can say like demo. What was it? I just a video website. Okay, video website here. And then when you Control S, when you press Control S here, Control plus S. When you use the Control S, and then you will save or save quickly, and then they will change for you here with video website. And in the body, so this is head, and this is kind of like head here. So all that message or information will be the head, including all of that. And the body will be our web design page. So right now you can type like H1 and also use tab. It will automatically fill out the instruction you want. So right now you can type my first website. Okay, and then save. You can see here. So H1 is means header, header and first one. So you can type more different like H2, H3, H4, H5. Okay, I'm just type H4, and then you can exactly see what's different. Yeah, so H1 is bigger and H4 is smaller. And the next one, I'm going to teach you how to press a link to your website. So before that, we are going to go back our document. So go back our document. Let's see. So in your project, you can pass video link you want. So for example, I have some football game video, and I'm going to share this website. So go to the document, videos. So I just click copy whatever one I want, and then go to my folder here, paste it. So I can make my video more easier. I can say full game here, okay? And then let's go back to your VS Code. So in the body, you can type a video, and then use tab. So type tab key here. Okay, tab. So when you have this one, you can use tab. Okay, video tab. They will fill out immediately for you. So now there is a source, right? For short source, you can get the name. Remember, with the whole extension. Again, copy all of that with the MP4 extension. All right, so paste inside and then save. And then go to check our website. So now you can see I already have a link, but the problem is I cannot control it. So in order to control it, you can type here, control. After you save that, now you can see you can control it. Okay. You can also become mix size and then small, control the voice, everything you want. But sometimes you saw it is kind of bigger, right? So you want to control the size. So in order to control the size, you can use the width and the line. So here, here, width, and then you can set up by like 1, 4, 24, okay, and the height. I'm not sure it's correct or not. Oh, here, yeah. So now you can have a video link here, and you can control it. So this is the first demo that I would like to share. I would like to show you how we are going to create our website. And if you want, when you jump in the class, I can help you to create, because you already have those of things, right? Those of things, and then you can upload it in the GitHub. I mean, just like what I show you here. So you can create a new repository and upload it, and then change the setting, and then you'll get a link. So the link will be like this, and with your username, GitHub.io, and then your project name, and you can use this link to share with people to show your curriculum. Thank you for coming to. Thank you for listening my open class. I hope you're enjoying that, and then jump in my class. See you next time. Bye bye.